A firework shines brightly, but only for seconds. A lighthouse shines steadily through storms. So a lighthouse is the safest. That's what you need in your life, in the spiritual journey. God is not looking for fireworks Christians who are delighted for a short time, but those who will continue without giving up. In fact, God is looking for lighthouse believers. There is this simple quotation. It is not the occasional good deeds that wins the race, but the steady, persevering effort that wins in the end of it. Charles Spurgeon, a great preacher, once said, "The perseverance of the snail. By perseverance, the snail reached the ark." You know a snail? Are you there? Do all of us know a snail? Charles Spurgeon is saying that a snail moved very slowly. But we say slowly, but sure, it reached the ark. A snail reached the ark. We did this slow speed. So when you are determined, you will not quit. You will not quit when your prayers seem unanswered. You will not quit when temptations increase. You will not quit when all your friends seem to walk away from you. You are determined to win.